Uber just dropped Q1 2026 earnings and the numbers are nuclear for shareholders while drivers get scraps. Gross bookings hit $53.7 billion in a single quarter, up 25% year-over-year. The stock popped between 7 and 10% the day the report dropped on May 6. CEO Dara Khosrowshahi called it an exceptional start to 2026, while the people moving 3.6 billion trips watched their pay model stay broken. Uber spent $3 billion buying back its own stock in just one quarter. That is more than double the $1.8 billion buyback from Q1 last year. Free cash flow hit $2.3 billion in the quarter alone. Trailing 12-month free cash flow is closing in on $10 billion. Adjusted EBITDA grew 33% to $2.5 billion. Non-GAAP earnings per share jumped 44% to 72 cents. Mobility gross bookings climbed to $26.4 billion, up 25%. Delivery bookings hit $26 billion, up 28%. Monthly active platform consumers reached 199 million, up 17%. Uber One membership crossed 50 million and now drives roughly half of every dollar booked across the platform. And what did the drivers and couriers actually doing this work get out of the quarter? Lower fares, lower payouts, more competition, same broken pay model. Uber says it is passing insurance savings back to consumers through lower fares, meaning the drivers absorb the cut on the way down. More than 10 million earners on the platform are watching shareholders cash out while their take-home shrinks every quarter. Wall Street rewarded the buyback. Wall Street rewarded the margin expansion. Wall Street rewarded the Q2 guidance raise. Nobody rewarded the driver who sat through 3 surges to clear $40 on a Friday night. Uber just guided Q2 gross bookings to between $56.25 and $57.75 billion. None of that uplift is touching driver take-home pay. The platform was built on driver labor. The growth was built on driver labor. The buybacks were built on driver labor. The numbers prove the company can afford fair pay. The numbers prove the company is choosing not to. Download GigPulse for gig drivers on Google Play, a must for gig workers.